I want to modify this form template to make taking meeting notes easier for the note taker. Instead of making the note taker type the name of the presenter for a particular agenda item, I want to convert the text box into a drop-down list box so that the note taker can enter a name or pick a name from the list. The presenters' names are stored in a list on our team's SharePoint site. To get started, I need to convert the presenter text box into a drop-down list box. All I have to do is right-click the text box, click Change To, and then select Drop-Down List Box. Now I have my drop-down list box. Next, I have to connect the field in my form template that is bound to this list box to the SharePoint list on my team site. I can set up this data connection in the drop-down list box properties dialog box. Since I want to populate my list box with the names from a SharePoint list, I select this option. Now I have to create a data connection to the SharePoint list by clicking Add. This starts the data connection wizard. I want to create a new data connection to receive data. Since the data is coming from a SharePoint list, I specify this option. Next, I enter the address of the SharePoint site. Now I select the list that contains the presenters' names. This list stores several columns of information about each presenter, but I just need their names. I then click Next and Finish to complete the wizard. Now that I have the data connection, I can configure the list box to display the names. First, I click Select XPath to select the field that contains the presenter's name. Next, I open the data source until I see the fields in the presenters group. And then I select the user name field. The drop-down list box is now configured to get names from the SharePoint list. In the preview window, I can check to make sure that my drop-down list box is configured correctly. In preview mode, I get the same experience that my users will have when they fill out my form. Preview mode is a great way to check my work.